Hi everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the starter for Lexus 97 ES300. Okay, the starter located in here. Okay, we need to remove the batteries out, and let me show you how to process it. Okay, and the owner is my father's friend, you know. Wow, she know my father over 20 years, and she opened a restaurant at Bedford in Mass, and her restaurant name is a ginger Japanese sushi something like, but please support her. Okay, her sushi like very taste so delicious. Okay, let's start it, guys. Thank you. Start it, and let me put the camera somewhere you can see what I'm doing. A little bit hard to see. Okay, just put in here. Just remove the cruise controls out. Okay, I thought it's gonna be better to see, but not really. I work outside, it's nice and bright from the sun, so yeah, you know, make sure like support her. And she opened the restaurant like over 20 years too, and her husband, she had like a lot of experience with the sushi. So, and let me bring some stuff. You see, it's not that bad to change the starter on the car. The starter up there was not bad. Let me find a good place for you guys can see it. It's a point you just put in here. Okay. Yeah, you know, like I love her sushi either, you know, like I eat a lot. So let me just open the plug it, and the screw control is blocking us, so no problem. It's not a big deal. It's more job for it. That's why I come to her house and fix it for her. It's not that bad, you know. The car did it.
I know what's wrong. It's all stupid, you know. They keep pulling. I tell them.
And you see, just remove the cruise control, and we're gonna see the starter up there. It's nice and clean. Oh, what's your restaurant name, Melly?
Ginger.
Oh, Ginger
Japanese restaurant.
Ginger's Japanese restaurant.
Bedford.
Yeah, Bedford in Mass. Please support her. Okay, it's you know, we all have problem during COVID-19. So hey, here's starter look like, I can see a little bit clearly. His starter in here. Yeah, we're gonna remove number 12mm and the ground plug in here. Just remove it out. And the bolt to the transmission is a number 14 to number 14, guys. So I just lift the camera up there, and I hope you can see clearly. So the slide door broken.
Yeah. Just change. Remember last year or something?
No,
buy a new one, and your father helped me to order, and
I can order one more for you.
yeah,
It's not a big deal. So you see, we just unscrew number 12mm, and then your husband working right now?
yes.
I supposed to come early morning, but damn, it's so many stuff for my wife. She need to take care of grandma. Okay, we get more room. Right now, let me see, should I remove the airbox or not, but let me try that way first. I don't want to remove the airbox. You can stay inside the house. Stay in there, no problem. Too cold for you. Yeah, it's number 14, guys. From number 14mm, okay. One outside and one inside. You know, she is a very volume customer ever. Volume customer. And the other one is number 12, right? So you can see it. You're looking for the port. Yeah, you want to get more room for it, you should remove the airbox. But let me see. Extension too short, so I need a bit longer. This one should be fine. It's number 14, guy. Okay, remember the starter. 14. The sun a little bit shine to the camera. I don't know you guys can see clearly. It's blocking the sun. Maybe I need to relocate my camera. Can I put it in there? Can you see clear? In here could be just to go back to the same place where we was. Here's starter, okay? The starter. Just putting the camera close to the starter, and I hope you guys can see it clearly. Okay, it's out now, so I need to knock the starter a little bit. Yeah, you just knock it, and you get room for it. Don't bring enough tool. It's okay, so just keep knocking it, come out right out. A little bit stuck it. I don't bring enough tool like that. It should be fine. It will come out. It will come out. I don't bring enough tool. Do you have a screwdriver or something to put? Yeah, just keep knocking, guys. I forgot to bring a fray bar or screwdriver to pull it. I don't know, the starter completely stuck it to the engine, to the transmission. So just keep knocking a little bit. I should bring, enough tool. Damn.
I don't know what you need it. What?
Oh, the screwdriver, long screwdriver you do have.
Screwdriver?
Yeah.
What kind like?
The flat one.
Flat one, yes.
You have it? And okay, let me keep knocking it. Okay, it will come right out. Okay. Ooh, completely stuck. Corrosion. It's a corrosion builds up. That's why it's a problem. It called us. But this is good enough. Try it. Yeah, I forgot to bring a screwdriver. The starter completely like corroded and stuck it to the transmission. It's hard to remove it. Okay, let me keep knocking it. Nothing can do right now.
You need a hammer?
No. Yeah, just keep knocking, guys. He's almost out right now. Yeah. It corrodes, so it's stuck. Oh, it come out. But a little bit slowly. It's my bad. I thought I started not gonna be stuck like that, but it's not completely stuck. Keep knocking, guys. Sorry, I forgot to bring the stuff and knock it. I come right out, almost a little bit more. Oh, here you go. Come out, right? Come on, nothing stuck in there, just corroded. Oh no, it's okay, man. It's just corrosion, corrosion. It builds up the starter, that's why it's stuck. It's nothing special. Just keep knocking it. It's gonna come out. It already come out halfway. It's gonna come out soon. Here you go. It's out. It's come out, guys. So okay, let me check it out. Yeah, you see it? The starter come out. You don't need to remove the air box. I just the shine, the sun show sun. So see it? It starter come out. It's the old one. That's why it's stuck. He doesn't charge you any money. I said like,
no, I have to pay you.
I'm gonna give you like $50 for the. He helped me out, He's my father friend too. He's good. He doesn't care about money, but I said, just take it. I hope he take it.
I have to pay you.
Yeah, guys, it's a brand new starter. Gonna reinstall it. Gonna put a camera up there, you can see clearly. I work outside, but the sun like so shiny, so okay, here you go. It's in now. So when you put it in, very easy. Is it? It's the number 14mm. Just install the bolt. Number 14 for outside and number 14 inside. Here you go, it in. Okay, this one a little bit have to put it. I cannot see it, it's a problem. Okay, gotcha. Got it. Gonna put this one in there. Sorry, gonna block you guys a little bit. Okay, it's in. Yeah, you want to do at home, just you need to remove the air bucket. You get more room to work on it. Like for me, I want to cheat it, you know. I don't want to remove. We're supposed to remove the air bucket, but I just cheated. Like I want to do it fast. Just leave. Okay. If you want to do at home, just remove it. Yeah, remove the air box, you get more room to work on it. Not me like try to cheat it. Not good. A little bit hot.
But your way is very fast.
A little bit faster, but it's a new, you know, like if they never do it before, gonna be tough. They say, there's no room. So you get no room to remove the air box out. Should be fine. The same joy, you know, like you can record your husband do it. Like you can increase more customer. Some people don't know your restaurant. You know, like you don't know it. So you just tell, you know, like advertise a little bit. You can do it on Facebook too. You like just lie him like what he did. Very good. This one you don't need. You have to be good with computer. No, it's nothing. It's nothing special. I'm not that good too, but I just try to share my experience to the people.
Hey, what kind of raw fish you eat?
Raw fish?
Raw fish.
Oh, raw fish. I like salmon and tuna both. I love those.
Okay.
But my wife, she love the one you the fried fish. Last time you gave to her.
Okay, I know you that's what you like it.
No, my wife eat. She never eat raw. She eat cooked.
I see.
She only cook. Only me. I love to eat raw, but. It's almost done, guys, and one more bowl inside. Okay, don't forget that. Just tie both up, and it's almost done. See?
I call my husband to order for you, then you don't have to be
I can just order me like $50. Okay?
No, don't worry about
No. After this, I'm going to Hampton. I'm going to Hampton with my wife.
Oh,
yeah.
Doing what?
Just go sit there like eating last time too. You know, when I get out from your restaurant, when I left your restaurant, I went to Hampton, eat the sushi down there.
I see. Okay.
No people, no people. We just eat it and come back.
Yeah.
You know, last time my sister and my brother, they went eat out. You know, I had to eat all the stuff.
No, that's too much because
it takes too long. You know, like 2-3 days to finish it.
No good. 1 day.
I know, I ate it, but you know, like after 2 days, still tasty. But the rice a little bit hot, but it's fine for me. I ate all. I said, like, are you serious? You asked me to buy, but then you go eat out. I said, like, you take so long. Like, what? I have to order.
Yeah.
So funny. Oh, it's almost done, guys. Almost done. I said, just taste up. See, this one is power. I don't know you can see my video clearly or not because the sun, you know, the sun so shiny then. Okay, this one should be good to go, guys. And next we just put this one we call a cruise control. Just install the cruise control, one plug it, and 3 screw number 10mm. You guys can see it. It's all the way down there. It's the 3 screws there. Yeah, it's everything from the sun, like how to show you. Yeah, just 3 screws, okay, number 10mm, and we install the battery, and let's start the car and let's see. That should be work. It should be work, man. Melly, you got a key for me?
Yes.
Okay.
I have to put the battery on.
No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Just leave the key on the top of the roof for me. Okay, guys. So this one gonna be a customer too, and I just put the plastic on the bottom here. I'm gonna put the battery and start the car. Make sure it's working. 1 second, guys. Almost done. Okay. It's a new battery. You just open it and put the negative one. Okay, almost. And one more thing is a positive one. Make sure you turn it on the key. Yeah, here you go. Just wait a little bit. Just wait me a little bit. It's an alarm system, guys, so it's normal. Okay, let me tighten up the positive one and let the customer start the car. Make sure it works. Okay, Melly, start the car and let's see. Alright, it's working, guys. It's working. Okay, thank you guys for watching. It's all set to go. Thank you.